This is a brand new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, cruise control, a premium audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a locking rear differential, privacy glass, a low tire pressure indicator, steering wheel controls, and an anti-theft protection system. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Miami Lakes Automall is located at 16600 Northwest 57th Avenue in Miami Lakes. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.